Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and today's broadcast is going to be really helpful for all English learners.
And I'm Altaf. In today's conversation, we're going to share 10 simple English phrases that we use every day. These phrases will help you speak more naturally and confidently.
Yes, these are not difficult or complex phrases. They are short, easy, and used in daily life by native speakers. So, if you want to sound more natural in English, stay with us till the end.
Let's begin with the first phrase.
One, what's up? This phrase is very common and casual. It simply means, how are you? Or, what are you doing? For example, I might say to Altaf, hey Altaf, what's up?
And I can reply with, not much, just relaxing. It's a friendly way to start a conversation with someone. 2. I'm on my way. This is something I say almost every day. It means I've left and I'm coming to the place. Let's say Ikra calls me and asks, where are you? I'll say, I'm on my way.
Exactly. It shows you are not far and you are moving toward the person or the place. 3. That sounds good. This phrase means you agree with an idea or plan. For example, if Altaf says, let's record a video after lunch, I'll say, that sounds good.
Yes, and you can also use it when someone suggests something nice, like, let's watch a movie tonight. Reply, that sounds good. 4. I don't get it. This phrase means I don't understand. For example, if Ikra explains something too quickly and I don't understand, I can say, wait, I don't get it.
And then I can slow down or explain again. It's a polite way to say you need more help. 5. I'm just kidding. We use this phrase after we make a joke or say something funny that is not serious. For example, I can say, Altaf, you're always late. And then smile and say, I'm just kidding.
That's a fun one. It helps people know that you're joking and not being rude or serious. 6. Let me check. This is useful when you need time to look at something before answering. For example, Ikra may ask, do we have a meeting today? And I say, let me check.
It's very polite. It tells the person that you need a moment and you're not ignoring their question. 7. I'm not sure. This is a very honest phrase. You can use it when you don't have the answer. For example, if someone asks, will it rain today? And you don't know, just say, I'm not sure.
Right. It's okay to say you don't know something. It shows that you're honest and careful. 8. That's interesting. We say this when someone tells us something new or surprising. For example, Ikra says, I visited a village where everyone speaks 5 languages. I'll say, wow, that's interesting.
It's a polite way to show you're listening and you find the topic nice or surprising. 9. I'll be right back. We use this phrase when we are leaving for a short time and will return soon. For example, if I have to get some water, I'll say, I'll be right back.
And that lets the other person know that you're not going away for long. It's very useful during meetings or calls, too. 10. Take care. This is a sweet phrase to say goodbye in a kind way. For example, when I say goodbye to Ikra, I say, take care.
Yes, it's full of warmth. It means you want the other person to stay safe and healthy. So these were the 10 simple and useful phrases that we use every day.
Let's quickly review them again for our listeners. What's up? I'm on my way. That sounds good. I don't get it. I'm just kidding. Let me check. I'm not sure. That's interesting. I'll be right back. Take care.
If you practice these phrases daily, you'll start to feel more comfortable speaking English in real life.
Yes, these phrases are not just for learning, they are for using. Try them with your friends, family, or even in your English class.
Also, remember that speaking English fluently doesn't mean using difficult words. It's about using the right words at the right time.
That's true. If you liked today's video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf.
And tell us in the comments, which of these 10 phrases do you already use? Or which one was new for you?
Thank you so much for joining us today.
And as we always say at the end, keep practicing and keep learning.
Take care.